I'm Susan of Susan Gazaway DIY. I have had so much fun participating in this challenge all month long of Christmas in July that's been hosted by Shushana of byRegal Designs by Shushana and Tamara of Love My Babies Forever. These ladies are so sweet to have done this. And if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost anything. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. This all helps my channel to grow. I got this sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm removing the little jute string cord at the top temporarily. I took a piece of sandpaper and sanded off the glitter that was on the sign. Once I did that, I took some Waverly chalk paint in white and painted the whole sign really good, gave it a good coat. And then I dried it with my hairdryer in between coats, and it took 2 coats. I had some berries from a little fall pick that I had, and I also painted them white. Once my paint was dried on my sign, I just took a pencil and just marked off little shiplap marks. I got this free printable online. I just researched cat Christmas, and I got this one. I thought it was cute. And here I am doing a trick that I saw Mom does, Life Handmade. I saw Mom do on that, and that's to make it easier to tear around the picture and kind of feather it so it's not such a sharp edge to the edge of the picture, because I'm getting ready to decoupage. I go ahead and put the wood cord back into the wood base. And now I'm getting ready to put Mod Podge on my board. I coat the whole thing because I want it to look the same all across. And I put Mod Podge also on the back of my paper. And I know I should wait until it dries before adding Mod Podge to the top, but I was impatient and I went ahead. And it didn't do too bad. It looked like it was going to wrinkle, but it smoothed out. And I just smoothed it out a little bit and let it dry. Once it was dry, I went and added in some of the lines on the paper part of my decal. Because of the whiskers and stuff, I really couldn't do it closely, cut it out closely, which is why I just tore around the edge. And so once I did that, I took my paint pen and colored in any of the black that may have gotten messed up, when I was scraping or messing with it. And I did the same with a red paint pen on the red parts. It really wasn't that many places. And with my white paint pen, I'm just trying to touch up a few spots that the ink had smeared when I put Mod Podge on it, because it was an inkjet printer. And now I'm just hand lettering the saying on my sign, which was Meowie Kiss Mouse. I thought it was cute. And then I took my painted berries and some leaves I pulled off of some greenery I had and made mistletoe. And I tried other things too to see about putting on the picture, but it just didn't seem to work. But the mistletoe I think did. And I also did just a simple red bow. And here's my finished project. I just think it's so cute. I love it. I just think I love the whole thing. It suits my sense of humor perfectly. Now at Christmas time, I try to keep foremost the true meaning of Christmas, and that's Jesus. So I'm doing a little nativity set. It's going to be an ornament. And I'm painting these little beads, and I'm just using Waverly antiquing wax and just wiping it back off. And now I'm using cinnamon sticks to make the stable. I glue them together with my glue gun, making a house-like shape. I give a little added extra support by gluing raffia on all the corners. And then I make a hanger with the raffia and glue it to the back of the little stable. And now I'm adding my baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Now usually I forget to turn on my camera when I come back from doing something. This time I forgot to cut my camera off, and when I started editing, then I saw what goes on when I'm not in the room. I knew they liked crafting. Now back to baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. The beads I painted earlier are going to be their heads. And I just love the rustic look of this. I think it's so cute, and it smells good too. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything to do that. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And until next time, bye.